now the next question is statement problem. Statement problems, it is same as is the word problem. Okay, as you know, this chapter is about addition. So all the sums we hear the addition. Let's see whether it is the addition sums or the subtraction is there or not. Let us start with the first number. I read it out. The first number, Ridhima brought a bed sheet for rupees 256 and 2 pillow covers for rupees 79. How much money did she spend all together? So what the keyword is come here? All together. So you know that whenever all together come, that means we have to do here the addition. Yes? Okay. So let's start to solve it. Okay. So let's start. First what you have to write? Whatever given in the example, that we have to write. Okay. So bedsheet cost. What is the cost of bedsheet here? So let's start to write bedsheet cost. So I write here bedsheet cost. Only one bedsheet is there. So bedsheet cost is equal to, what is given? 256. So write rupees 256. Again. Now what is the next given? 2 pillow covers for rupees 79. So write pillow covers. So write pillow covers is equal to pillow covers cost. Okay, is equal to what the pillow cover cost? 2 are there. So I multiplied 2 multiplied by rupees 79. Okay, so what answer here we get? Yes, that is equal to rupees. So you can write 158. Okay. So what answer we get? Rupees 158. Okay. This you have to write in the first line. Bedsheet cost rupees 256, comma, second word given 2 pillow covers. So pillow covers cost is equal to 2. Why we multiplied by 2? Because 2 pillow covers are given. So 79 multiplied by 2 is equal to rupees 158. Okay. Now the next. So what we have to find out? The total cost. That means all together. Okay. So write down Ridhima spent write down total cost. Total cost that Ridhima spent is equal to rupees bedsheet cost 256 plus pillow cost, that is rupees 158. So you have to add 256 plus 158. So what answer we get here? Rupees 414. So we box it that number. Answer. So what is the answer? Rupees 414. So total cost that Ridhima spent is equal to rupees 414. Okay. Understand how we do it? All together comes. That's why we do the addition here. Okay. So what the answer get? 414 rupees that the Ridhima spent. Okay. Let's start the next. Okay. Let's start the second number. A factory has 734 male workers and 128 female workers. Okay. So how many workers were working in the factory? Okay. So what you have to write first? Yes, number of male workers. So write down number of male workers is equal to, so the number of male workers. Okay. So how many male workers are there? Yes, 734. So I write 734. Okay, then next, how many the female workers? So write down the number of female workers. So number of female workers is equal to, so how many female workers are there? 128. So I write 128. Okay, now how many workers were working in the factory? That means we have to find out here total workers. So whenever the total comes, what we have to do here? Yes, addition. So write down total number of workers. Total number of workers is equal to 734 plus 128. Okay, so what the answer is here? Yes, is equal to, plus it's 734 plus 128. So answer we get 862. Okay, so the total number of workers is equal to 862. Okay, working in the factory. So we write total number of workers 862 working in the factory. Okay. Okay. Now number 3. In Amusement Park, Johnson spent rupees 344 on tickets and rupees 185 on snacks. How much money did he spend altogether? Again altogether word come. That means we have to do here addition. Okay. So first of all, what you have to do? Whatever given first, you have to write that. Okay. So what you have to, what here given? Yes, ticket cost, cost of tickets. So write tickets cost. So what is the cost of ticket? Yes, rupees 344. Okay. Now what given next? Yes, the rupees spent on the snacks. That is how many? Rupees 185. So write down snacks cost. So snacks cost is equal to rupees 185. Okay. Now we have to find out the total cost. How much money did he spend? That means total cost. Okay. So write down total cost. Total cost that Johnson spent. Johnson spent is equal to, what you have to do? Addition of that rupees. So rupees 344 plus rupees 185. So that is equal to, what the answer we get here? Yes, rupees 529. And you have to box it because this is our main answer. Okay. Understand? So how many total rupees you have to spend altogether? Rupees 529. Okay. Now the next, 4th number. John travelled 543 kilometers from Delhi to Jodhpur and 320 kilometers from Delhi to Jaipur. Find the total distance covered by the John. Again total word come, that means we have to do here addition. Okay, so what here given first? The distance covered by John from Delhi to Jodhpur. Okay, so write down that first distance traveled from Delhi to Jodhpur. What is that? Is equal to 543 kilometer. Okay. Now the next distance traveled from Delhi to Jaipur. Yes. Is equal to 320 kilometer. Okay. So now find out the total distance covered by the John. So write down total distance traveled. Total distance covered by John is equal to 543 kilometer plus 320 kilometer is equal to, now add it both. So what the answer you get here? Yes, 863 kilometer. So that is our answer. We have to box it. Okay. So how many distance covered by the John? 863 kilometer. Okay. Total distance. Now the number 5th. Janet colored 249 meter of cloth and printed 724 meter of cloth. Find the length of the cloth that was colored and printed all together. So again all together word come. That means we have to do here addition. So that means Janet colored 249 meter of cloth. So first with that we have to write length of cloth colored. Okay. So write length of cloth colored. First she do the colored. So I write length of cloth colored is equal to how meter? Yes, 249 meter. Okay. Now the next. Length of cloth printed. Okay. So write down length of cloth printed is equal to 724 meter. Okay. Now whatever given we write here. Now what you have to find out? The cloth colored and printed together. So write down length of cloth colored and printed length of cloth colored and printed by Janet is equal to, so we write here is equal to 249 meter plus 724 meter, that is equal to 973 meter. So how many total cloth is colored and printed? That is 973 meter. Okay. So she printed 973 meter cloth or colored also. Okay. So what the question given here? See. Yes. Okay. So the shop had two sizes of shoes as given below. Okay, so here two sizes of shoes given, size 7 and size 9, and also two color, black and brown. So from this table we have to find out this answer. Okay, so let's start first number. I read it. How many black color shoes are there? So see, black color shoes, size 7 149 and size 9 294. Okay, so what we have to do for the black color, total black colors, we have to add it. Size 7 shoes and size 9 shoes. So I write here black color shoes. So black color shoes is 149 of size 7 plus 294 of size 9. So we can add it 294. Okay, so now add it. First we add the ones place digit. 9 plus 4 is 13. So I write here 3. 1 is carry there. Then again 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 1 14. Again carry 1. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So how many total black color shoes are there? 443. Okay. Now the next. How many brown color shoes are there? Same as we do as the black color. So brown color is 463 of size 7 and 337 of size 9. So write down 463 plus 337. Now add it. So what the answer we get? Here 0, then again 0. Then what the answer we get? 8. So how many total shoes are there? 800. So this is our main answer. We box it. Here also we box it. Okay. So now how many brown color shoes are there? 800. Now next 3 number. How many size 7 shoes are there? So 7 size shoes. See here. These are both black and brown. So we have to add this black color size 7 also and brown color size 7 also. So we write here 149 plus 463. So add it. Okay, 9 plus 3 is 12. So write 2. 1 is carry. Then 6 plus 4 10. 1 carry 11. And 4 plus 1 5. Yes, that is 6. So how many total shoes of size 7? 612. Okay. Now the next. How many size 9 shoes are there? So see here size 9 shoes. You can see in the column of the size 9. Black color also and brown color also. Okay. So write 294 plus 337. So add it. 1. Then 12. 12 plus 1 13. Carry 1. Again 2 plus 3 5. Or x 6. So how many colors? Size 9 shoes are there? Yes, 631. Okay. In this way, if any information is given, so from that we can solve we can give the answers of the question by adding the values. Okay. So this is, we have completed here chapter number 3, give and take. Okay. That's all for today.